Flint. Or maybe Jerry. Carl's pretty cool. Or maybe even Grovile. Wait, no, that's Sean Chiplock too. Yeah, Tom and Jerry is in this game. You have to unlock them.
Resuming mission. Duel 2.
Faye. Oh yeah, Faye Fong Wong. Absolutely. You know? That would be a pretty fucking sick character to have in Guilty Gear. I guess he would play a lot like Jam. Technically, Jam literally fights like Faye does, so... Someone needs to make a mod for Accent Core that replaces Jam with just Faye from Xenogears, like, and his, like, chibi sprite and everything. I think I would main Rolf if they added him to the game. Although I'm not sure how they would balance out the Hammer of Discipline. That might be a bit overpowered.
Dizzy, Sin, Slap. I'm sorry.
Who the fuck is biking?
Target decommissioned.
This isn't a racing game.
Proceed with the next mission.
Get your bikes out of here. Why don't you go ride it on a sidewalk?
That they cannot change society.
You
Duel 1. Let's rock.
Ooh.
You give me no choice.
Or go on a nice nature trail. Oh my god. There you go. I gotta remember which angle's what. Man, I did not need to use my meter like that. Whoa. Oh, okay, a little bit.
Behold my true strength.
Ooh.
Slap. No chance. You won't be moving for a while. Champion wins.
How has Stride been so far?
Duel 2.
I've lost all my teeth. I love this game. Haha, this game is great, but Temkin broke my legs again. Wow, good job. You missed the largest character in the game.
Proceeding with the mission as planned. Copy that. Awaiting next report.
I do feel they changed, like, the sensitivity, kind of how you do that one move, though. I find I have to put a lot more effort than I did in Accent Core into, Ride the Lightning. For some reason, I really gotta make sure I hit, like, the opposite gate and then mash forward. I didn't really have to do that in Accent Core. I could just bust it out. I wonder if that means my controller is weird. It shouldn't be any different, but it feels different. Why does that man have giant screw nipples? Why does anyone have nipples to begin with?
Are you ready?
To nurse their young, you fool.
Mankind knew that they cannot change society. So instead of reflecting on themselves...
Pagona, heed my sacred advice. Yes, Gino. If you see Haya, teleport mass jab. Oh, Hayai? Oh, yeah. When he moves really fast.
Let us do.
Oh, let us do.
Let's rock.
I didn't mean to skip that.
At your feet.
Oof. I like Nagoriyuki. I really want to learn them, but they seem like a really difficult character to figure out. They play like a Sam Show character, in which you have to be very, very slow and methodical about how you're attacking people, otherwise you can fuck yourself up. Ooh! Yeah, you have to like manage this bloodlust. Such a lust for blood!
Let's see more.
Ooh!
Nagoryuki wins. Duel 2. Let's rock.
He has a move, though, that literally takes out... Like, if he hit me with it right now, I'd be dead. It's literally like 75% of your health bar if he pulls it off. It can be used in Bloodlust mode, though. Or Blood Rage, or whatever. Ooh. Oh, hey. I have no idea why he can do that now, but... doesn't matter anyways.
Slap.
Disappointed. With more training, you may have.
I guess Kai underwent gear conversion?
Nagoryuki wins.
That means he's a gear now. I'm really curious to what the in-game, like, story is about that. I don't want spoilers, though. Don't tell me if you know.
They blame the beasts.
That's, like, one of the neatest things about this game. Didn't Kai have Dragon install in Zerd's DLC story? I think in the story, yeah, but he never used it in-game. However, the thing is, the Zerd storyline takes place after arcade mode. So it's actually the bridge between that game's arcade story and this game. So if he had it during that story, that's why he has it in this game now and not before. Ooh. So he must have gotten it around that time. I still think he swapped eyeballs with Sim. My favorite lore is Venom owning a bakery with Robo-Kai. But there's so many Robo-Kais, there's like an army of them. Which one? The original? Was that the move? Oh, did he do it? Yeah, he did. Yes, that move, yes. Oh, good, yeah, I did not mean to do that. I need to watch my thingies. Oh, God. No. No, you don't. What the? Oh my God! Yeah, blood mode depletes health. So, in a way, Nagoryuki, his mechanic actually is like the instant kill mode.
With more training, you may have stood a chance.
Quite literally, he can instant kill people with it.
Wins.
It's pretty high risk, right? There are not instant kills in this game, though, I think.
Society. So instead of reflecting on themselves,
I don't know if they ever intend to bring them back, but, I mean, I only ever use them just to be an asshole, so... Blech. Are you aware of the DLC leak? I've seen so many different DLC leaks for this game, I don't know what to believe and I don't care. I know Gold Lewis is getting in just by pure logic alone. I know Biken's getting in by pure logic alone. I know Johnny's getting in because literally you can't have this game without Johnny. Dizzy's probably in. Maybe Sin's in. I would say Jam is a definite because there's no character archetype to fill her role. What I really want to know, where is Cliff? That guy we always confuse for Flint. Johnny is one of the most popular, most demanded characters for this game next to Biken. Like, globally. It's Biken, Johnny, and Bridget. Flint is dead. Yeah, but what about Kirk or Cliff? Oh, what? Oh. Oh. Oh, okay. Oh, okay then. All right. I think they reset the servers again. Yeah, if everyone got kicked, that means they reset it. Okay, so... what room even was that? That was, 30, right? Oh yeah, everyone's gone. Whoa. So East 30.